Hi friend, this is Vivek Kumar. Today I will discuss about star delta starter circuit diagram. You can see this is a automatic star delta circuit diagram. First of all, I would want to tell about which circuit represent which equipment. You can see here input supply is coming in our star delta starter. This represent is MCB, 3 pole MCB. This is a RYB indicator, and this voltage selector switch, and this is voltmeter. This is a ammeter whose connected series of R phase, and this represent of single phasing preventer, and this terminal represent overload relay 98 and 97 terminal, and this indicator is trip indicator, and this is a normally close button, and this represent normally open start button, and this represent main contactor add-on block, and this represent star contactor add-on block, and this represent main contactor add-on block terminal, and this is a motor on indicator. This is a main contactor coil, and this represent timer. This represents selector switch, and this represent star delta coil, and this delta star contactor coil, this and this delta contactor coil. This terminal is overload relay terminal. This represent main contactor, and this delta contactor, and this star contactor. This represent overload relay, and this representation is connection sheet, and this is a motor representation. Now we discuss how to work our star delta starter. First of all, you see, if we on our MCB, then supply going here, RY indicator is glow, and supply come voltmeter and voltage selector switch. We can measure any two terminal voltage by help of selector switch, and our supply going through SPP input terminal RYB, ठीक है, and this is bypass, एंड एनो टर्मिनल पर हमारा आर फेस आ जाएगा, एंड आवर सप्लाई कम डेल्टा मेन कॉन्टेक्टर प्राइमरी साइड, एंड हियर इज कनेक्टेड, तो देन अपर सप्लाई कम मेन कॉन्टेक्टर प्राइमरी साइड, एंड our B phase come here directly going star contactor coil A1 terminal and delta contactor A1 terminal, and this phase going timer A1 terminal, and B phase going here main contactor A1 terminal, and this phase directly gone motor on indicator. Now we study how to work. Its starter work depend which mode we operate our starter. If we start manually, then this terminal short and our supply pass here. If we our start SPP bypass mode, then our 2 and B2 terminal short and supply through here pass, and we select automatic mode, then 4 and A2 terminal short and upper supply is pass here. First of all, we study if we selected manual mode. MCB, first of all we on MCB, our supply coming here. If three phase properly coming here with sequence. Then our supply T1, T1, T2 short and our supply are phase going common terminal, and after that here and this our operate manually mode, then this terminal is short and our supply going through here. Manually, in manually mode we need to press start button. So after that we press the start button, then our supply here go through timer A2 terminal, and when timer A2 terminal supply getting, then immediately output a 50 number terminal supply. This supply is going delta contactor coil. Now our delta contactor operate, and when this switch is pressed, then our contactor main contactor is closed, and after circuit complete through here, when this contactor is closed, and this is the add-on block of star contactor. जब star contactor close, then this terminal also close. Now our main contactor also close and motor indicator on. This time we selected timer, then our supply coming here. After completing our timer output 50 number terminal supply, and timer off 15 number terminal and close 25 number terminal. Our supply output here. Now our delta contactor coil getting two phase, our delta contactor close and main contactor close. You can see here this contact close and this contactor close. Our motor supply getting line voltage. When this contactor main contactor and this is a star contactor close, then our motor getting phase voltage. Now we study if we operate our starter SPP bypass, then this terminal is short. If we bypass SPP, then our circuit complete from overload terminal 97. R phase coming inside here B2 terminal, and this terminal is short because we selected SPP bypass. Then our supply is come here and circuit. After that previous I explained, then same this circuit work. Supplies come here, press this button and this contactor close, circuit complete here, timer getting supply output 15 number terminal after counting 25 number terminal, and this when our timer outing supply 15 number terminal, then our star and main contactor close. After complete time, delta and main contactor close, and our motor is running. First running star supply, second running delta, means line voltage, same previous case. Now we study if we selected our starter automatically, then this terminal is closed. We know that manually and automatic our SPP is work, but SPP bypass our SPP does not work. Now we selected our starter automatically mode, or we know that automatically mode we don't need to press any start button. Our starter getting supply after operate mode without any pressing key. You can see if we selected automatic mode, our supply come here when all phase is coming properly and with sequentially, then our R phase come command terminal. Command कोई common terminal है, the common terminal. This supply is coming here and automatically This terminal is closed 4 and A2, and other terminal 2, V2, 3 and C2 is open. Now our supply is going here, and also timer. Timer timer get to phase and timer start. Timer start and immediately outing supply 15 number terminal. After complete time 15 number terminal and same work previously. Now we have studied how to star delta work with the help of star delta diagram. And thanks for watching this video.